Oh my goodness, it's Tuesday. Little overcast here. And what time is it? It's, about 11:20. We started at 8:30 this morning. Kevin's already gone home. We've pretty much done everything we can do to this bike with the isoelastics. It's pretty much back together. And until we get the front motor mount back from the machinist and put that on, at which time we'll turn the bike back over to the owner for a final fitting and starting and testing. We're not going to start the motor. That's out of scope. We're just changing the isoelastics. So that should be finished theoretically tomorrow if we get the front motor mount back today. Right now the skyhook is still holding the engine up. I could let it drop down and rest against the frame, but there's just no need to. We could, oh, that's right, we have to put new fork seals on this bike, so tomorrow we will turn it around no matter what, whether we have the motor mount or not. We'll turn it around and do the fork seals on the front wheels, front forks. So that's the status on that bike. Looking over here, I have all the parts necessary for this 650 BSA. I have all the ordered parts, so that can go up. The Green Norton is back. I've ordered a seat for it. The seat we took to the custom seat maker didn't work out. Too much trouble, too much did not fit, too much having to do something to make it fit. They didn't feel comfortable doing it. I don't feel comfortable doing it. I found an aftermarket seat for fastbacks online made in Vietnam. And it's on its way. I bought it. So it's on its way. So when we get the seat, we'll have a bike that should be ready to start and road test. The silver bike here was waiting on the clutch cable, of which I have right here. So as soon as I install that clutch cable, this bike will be ready for a test ride if we can work up the courage. So we'll see. 441 Vic is still sitting here. I've got all the parts ordered for it. I still need to get a battery. He wants me to do a battery, so I'll get a battery. And then that can go up. The yellow Norton is still waiting on the speedometer from England. So that's just sitting here. And still my bike's sleep. So that's the status of the shop. My bike sleeping, yellow Norton waiting on a speedometer, BSA 441 Victor. All parts received, waiting for lift time. Silver bike, clutch cable received, waiting for test ride. Green Norton fastback, waiting on ordered seat to see if it'll be complete. And the BSA, all parts received, and I can put that back on the lift as quickly as possible. So that's where we are. And I'm just going to call it an early day because my computer system died, and I got to go in there and see if I can resuscitate it, or whether I have to call in the geeks. I'll let you know. If you see a video tonight, that means I've fixed it. If you don't, I didn't.